Welcome back to part 3, I think, of the Evo. Today we are installing a front pipe. I was going to install the dump pipe too. Like, I took off all the bolts and then I realized I haven't even taken it into roadworthy yet, and in case the exhaust does fail, which it sometimes does, I didn't want to have to get in trouble with that because then I have to take the dump off. And that would be annoying to do again, so I'm just going to install the front pipe. So I've taken it off already. Tomei exhaust here and the screamer. I don't know if I'll use the screamer, to be honest. I bought it, but I don't know, if anyone lives in Victoria, they know how illegal these things are, and you just get EPA'd and lots of police attention. But this is the old exhaust and the new one, so you can see the difference. So I think I might be 2 versus 3 inch, because this is 3, and I don't know. I don't know what the stock one is, but definitely an upgrade. Excited to put it in. But yeah, so I'll chuck the exhaust on, and I'll show you guys that now.
Is gone cold, it's like
I'm jacking the car up more. I just realized, is this a 3-inch cat? This cat looks huge. On the stomach is not tech, but it makes it easier. Well, it is the front pipe on the bottom is now on. Gotta chuck the Tomei exhaust now onto the dump. I'm just gonna use this attachment to chuck on the dump. I don't know if you need the extender, I just imagine it would help for the dump. And we'll see how that goes. Okay. Oh, I did not think about that. I did not think about that.
Little did I know that this quick 30-minute front pipe install
for this
would turn
one
into a
little
whole day
nut.
of taking up the turbo.